Hey there, curious minds, have you ever found yourself pondering that age-old question, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, get ready to dive into this exciting topic as we crack open the debate and explore the science, philosophy, and a dash of fun along the way. Or egg question isn't just a riddle for breakfast. It's been puzzling thinkers for centuries. On one side, we have Team Egg, arguing that a non-chicken bird laid an egg that contained the genetic mutation responsible for producing the first true chicken. On the flip side, Team Chicken believes the egg could only come from a chicken, thanks to that very genetic mutation. Now, let's talk evolution. Darwin would have loved this debate. According to evolutionary biology, species change over time through gradual variations in their genes. Picture a bird that's almost a chicken, hanging out with a bird that's almost not a chicken. One day, their eggs produce a bird that fits all the chicken genetic traits. Tada! Chicken. Genes are the key players here. They're like nature's recipe book, filled with instructions for making organisms. Mutations, those little hiccups in the recipe, can lead to new species. In the case of the chicken, a mutation in its DNA might have triggered the development of the first chicken egg. But what about the egg itself? Eggs have been around for a lot longer than chickens. Dinosaurs were laying eggs way before chickens waddled onto the scene. So, from this angle, the egg clearly came first, right? Hold on to your feathers, because here comes the philosophical twist. Ancient Greek philosophers loved a good debate, and this question was no exception. They saw it as a paradox: the chicken had to come from an egg, and that egg had to come from a chicken. Mind-bending, isn't it? Alright, drumroll, please. The answer lies in genetic mutations. Remember that tiny glitch in the recipe book? Over time, as mutations stacked up, a bird that wasn't quite a chicken gave birth to a bird that was. So, in the grand tale of evolution, it was the egg that came first, laying the foundation for what we now proudly call the chicken. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate answer to the age-old riddle. The egg came first, bringing forth the chicken as we know it today through the magic of genetics and evolution. But hey, don't let this debate ruffle your feathers too much, it's all part of the journey of human curiosity. So, next time you enjoy a scrumptious omelette or spot a chicken strutting its stuff, remember the deeper story behind the chicken or egg mystery. If you found this explanation exciting, see what I did there? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And, as always, keep those questions hatching in your mind. Until next time, explore the world with wonder.